Start off by layering a transparent 3x3 grid on top of your image. Next, add a square and size it to 1080 by 1080. Group the grid and character. Mask the square with the new group. Add the box effect. Set scale as 2.15 and the height to 33. Duplicate the layer. Go to the new layer and make the offset 333. Duplicate and repeat the same process, but make the offset -333. Now move each block around to align them. To do so, go to Position then Y-axis. Now for rotation, follow what I do, or do it to your own liking. Go to the second option on Orientation and rotate from 0 to -90. Use the fourth graph option. For the middle box it's 0 to 90. Bottom is 0 to -90.
Voila!
In an edit,